So guys, what's up? You want to know how I made this entry and how I predicted this movement? I explained everything in this video even before I start playing out. Okay, so let's skip to the good part, guys. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, this is KCFS Trader right here. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the best entries, best sniper entry when it comes to crash and boom index. All right, so how do we actually take this trade? How do we make this entry the best entry? All right, so remember, this entry is not just for people, maybe you just want to catch one spikes, one spike. If you just want to catch one spike, that's not for this. This particular strategy is not for you. We are looking at holding our trade, you know, to catch those massive movement to the downside. Okay, so if you have a very small account, like you are building your account, have $10, or maybe you have $10, $20 account, $50 account, I think this strategy is not still yet for you, but you can still use it anyways. So now in this kind of entry, this kind of sniper entry, you are going to be risking, at least you are going to be risking, using the lowest loss size, supposed to risk up to $15 to $20, right? So but you are expecting at least ×3 of your stop loss. That means if you are risking $10, you're expecting $30, $15, you're expecting $45 or more. Okay, or more. So this is you making a sniper entry, leaving your trades for some time, then you come back and see a lot of money made. Okay, you come back and see a lot of spikes, you know, blues everywhere. So look at the first entry I made. Okay, I have already put in some positions, which I'm also going to be adding more positions. I will share with you the result of this entry. All right, so but before then I have to show you the reason and why I entered this trade at this point, okay, and why I'm still going to make another entry as the price retrace more, but we are going to be in profit. Mark my word, we are going to be in profit, not just profit but massive profit, guys. All right, so now this is crash 1000. You can do this on crash 1000, you can do this on boom, you can do this on all the crash indices, the index, then you can do it on boom, the same. Okay, so before I proceed with you know, explaining how I enter this trade, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Okay, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video just like this one. Then announcement, I think I have something to share with you guys. If you really want to learn trading, okay, the right way, the best way to prepare yourself for 2023, all right, this is the time, this is the moment. I'm going to be having 1 week mentorship program, strictly sharing my strategies, okay, sharing my strategies, and also helping you understand risk management, okay, and best trading practices. Okay, so if you want to join this mentorship, I'm going to leave the link to the group in the description of this video. Okay, you just click on the description, you are going to see the link. I'll also leave it in the comment section. Also, I will pin it in the comment section. If you want to join, just join. It's not going to be free, okay? It's not going to be free, but it's going to be like just almost free. All right, it's going to be almost free, but it's not going to be completely free. All right, so I want to help a lot of people prepare for 2023 with my personal strategies. Okay, all right, so this is I'm going to make another entry right here. Okay, so remember, this is a real account, it's not a demo, and it's still a small account, guys. You can see it's a small account. Okay, so I'm still going to make more entry as the price keep retracing. So let me just share with you the reason why I'm making this entry, and I'm confident enough that I'm going to be in profit. Okay, so if I switch to a higher time frame first, let me just we'll start with 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is 4 hours time frame. So what you have to do, just zoom out completely. Okay, you can see I have zoomed out completely. Then look at this trend. Where is this price trending to all this while? The price have been trending massively to the downside. Okay, even when we are having some, maybe from here you see the price make some movements, you see some retracement from here. You can see we had this retracement. Okay, then this is a retracement to the upside. We also have this impulsive move to the downside, then another retracement. Remember, I'm just marking out this just gradually. So now if you look here, so the price also make corrective movements. If you look here, you have this kind of correction here before a breakout. Okay, after this correction, the price broke to the downside, make another impulsive move, then we have a massive retracement, okay, to the upside. You can see this massive movement to the upside, which is just like a change of trend, okay, because the price moved impulsively to the upside. But why I'm convinced that this price will keep going down, we continue the downtrend, is because the impulsive move ended up correctively. If you look closely how this price ends here, it ends correctively. You are going to understand this. Just join that 1 week mentorship program, you are going to get this concept. Then another thing, we still have this double top, which is the reason, also the reason why we are reversing to the downside. Okay, so not just that the price ended up correctively, but we had that double top right there. That is a strong zone or a reversal zone. So after that, the price made this movement to the downside a bit, okay, then the price is currently correcting at that zone. So, and if you look there, so that's where we are paying attention to. If you look at that zone, sorry, let me do away with this. Okay, so if you look at this zone, you can see that the price is actually correcting. Okay, let me just pick this also. So here and here, the price is actually correcting. So we are looking at maybe the price pushing down to this level and probably breaking it, breaking that particular level to the downside. Okay, this, but first, our first target is this way. Okay, the price should drop to this level. Okay, then we look for maybe another signal for a breakout. So that's basically the top bottom, that is analyzing the trend and looking out for maybe that is where the price is going to be moving or likely going to move. Remember, there's nothing that is 100%, but this is as a result of back testing. So I actually zoomed out to see the price, the trend, the phases, which is the impulsive, the corrective, and all that. So now I have to, if I zoom in, okay, if I zoom in, you can see that is a very strong area. Okay, that's a very strong support resistance level. Okay, resistance level above. So that's why I said if you are using $10 account, you are actually, I think you should avoid this kind of trade, this kind of entry. All right, if you are using it, you can actually use my other strategies on how to catch spikes, but this one you should have a good amount, at least $100 or $50, so you'll be able to risk up to 20, 15, or $10. Okay, so now look at the my resistance, and that is exactly one of the reasons why I entered this trade. The price at a zone, an area of value, that's number one. And number two is that the overall trend is down. Okay, I've seen that my trend bias is down. So, and also the price is currently at the resistance zone in a corrective phase, right? So I'm looking at catching those multiple drops to the downside and even breaking my support, you know, keep moving. So this is exactly a sniper entry, and you have to wait for it to play out. All right, so that's the first thing I need to share with you here. Then when you discover this on 4 hours time frame, then go down to 1 hour time frame to see confirmation for your entry. Okay, so if you look here on 1 hour time frame, I discovered this reversal candlestick pattern right here. So if you look at this point, we have this candlestick pattern, this candlestick right here. So this is actually a doji, an indecision candlestick, and a reversal candlestick. Okay, so you don't just wait for the first spike to come, you know, to give you this evening star. If you can actually see this candle, might likely end as evening star. All right, but if you are waiting for that, that means you are missing that sniper entry. All right, if you are waiting for a drop to the downside, okay, to close to the downside, that's for you. If you want to confirm your entry, you can actually wait for the price to drop, okay, and close bearish, okay, then you enter using the evening star candlestick pattern. But for me, I want to make that sniper entry, so I wouldn't like to wait for the first drop. Okay, but if you want, you can actually confirm it by allowing the drop to come and close bearish before you enter. But this particular candlestick pattern is enough for me, and it's not just happening, but it's happening or playing out at my area, which is that my resistance above. So I wouldn't want to miss out this entry. That's exactly the reason why I entered this trade, or using this signal on 1 hour time frame. Okay, So you can still go down to maybe 15 minutes time frame to confirm this entry. On 15 minutes time frame, if you look, we still had that bearish engulfing candlestick right here. This is the bearish engulfing candlestick. This red candle actually completely covered the previous one, okay, and it's very huge. Then after that, the price retraced to the upside, giving me a shooting star. All right, so giving me a shooting star. Then I made entry. Look at what is happening. A lot of people who, this is mass psychology. You are going to still learn more on mass psychology if you join that 1-week mentorship program. Now, what they are trying to do, or what the price is trying to do, is just to fake out, to push out a lot of people who enter using this engulfing candlestick pattern, and people who also enter through using this shooting star. They are going to be afraid right now. They will think, oh, the price is going against us, it doesn't work. I thought this spike will keep going, dropping to the downside. We are going to be closing. This is a breakout. People are now start looking for a opportunity to enter a buy, but we are not doing that. We know that this price is going to drop. It's not 100%, but using our strategy and back testing, we also have discovered that this price still is going to drop massively to the downside. Okay, I'm still going to make maybe more 2 entries, okay, before I actually end this video probably. Okay, so that's exactly what is happening. This is a mass cycle. They're trying to get a lot of people at the wrong side of the market. People are going to start closing, people are going to start buying instead of selling, okay, before the price will drop. So because I know already, I'm waiting patiently, I'm not closing any of the trade. I instead be making more entry for this particular trade. Okay, so that's exactly how you can actually enter this trade. As simple as that. First, we go using our 4 hours time frame by zooming out completely. On 4 hours, you check the trend, you discover what the price is trending. You'll be able to mark your faces, which is the impulsive, the retracement, and currently we're on a retracement phase, waiting for another impulsive move massively to the downside, which is this move to the downside. So that's currently the resistance zone. Okay, I start making entry on time because I know I'm going to add more position as the price keep going. Okay, so before we start having those spikes. Okay, then I went down to 1 hour time frame to confirm my entry using this doji candlestick right there, which is a reversal candlestick pattern. Then even if you go down to 15 minutes time frame, you are still going to see another candlestick pattern, the engulfing and shooting star right there. Okay, so we are waiting, let the mass psychology stuff play out. That is the manipulation play out. Once they push a lot of people out of the market, we are now still going to have those spikes to the downside, and we recover everything. Okay, so that's simply how I enter this trade, and we are going to wait to see the result of this trade. Okay, so guys, we started already massively. I've not even finished. We started already. You can see this is not a joke. This is something we have been back testing. This is something I've been doing. This is something I've taught a lot of people, even in my team. So you can see we are now in profit. It's small. I needed to make more entry before. We are now in profit, and we are still going to be holding this trade for a very long time. And you can build your small account. Even as this account is small, you can see it's just $200 and something account. You can still build this account to something significant. Okay, just this one trade can actually help us. Assuming I made more entry, okay, it can actually help us grow this account. Just one trade from 290 something to $1,000. It's possible. This is going to be massive. Just look at the potential, guys. So you can see from here, look at where the price is currently. Look at the price, where the price is currently at. Okay, but look at our first target down here. Look at our first target, this our support line down here. That is our first target, and this is where the price is currently. So we still have a long way to go to the downside, right? Then after that, if the price eventually broke, maybe look at this support level. If that price break from here to the downside, so we are going to have this massive drop also towards this level. Okay, so by then this account, you have, you know, not just doubling the account. This account could have been maybe 3 or 4 times this account. Okay, so that is exactly how to make this entry. You can see how our entry point, okay, you can see our entry point, and you can see how the spikes start coming. So you need to you know, understand trading the right way, then build confidence on your strategy. That's what I'm saying. Then that the price is just pushing up, a lot of people will be out like thinking that this is a green. You can see everything have changed, right? everything have changed. You can start making more entry now. This is the confirmation of that bearish movement, okay, because this candle is likely going to close as a bearish candlestick, okay, which is going to give you the candlestick pattern, which I know a lot of people will be waiting for, which is the evening star, okay. Then you make more entry. So that's exactly how to do this, okay guys. So we are going to be waiting for more spikes, but haven't seen the the start. I think it's good I end this video so that it will not be that long, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, the link to the section will be in the description of this video. If you want to join and learn trading the right way and make money, then click on the link. Remember, I said it's not going to be free, so don't expect it to be free, but it's going to be like almost free. When I say almost free, I mean it's not going to be more than $40, okay. It's going to be just like free, right? So that's that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.